Most travelers believe they have carry-on travel completely figured out, but the reality is very different. Hidden rules, overlooked details, and airline policies quietly catch passengers off guard every single day. In this video, what everyone gets wrong about carry-on travel, Airlines Won't Warn You, will be exposed in a way that changes how every future trip is packed and planned. From size limits to security surprises, the smallest misunderstanding can lead to delays, extra fees, or even losing belongings at the gate. Smart travelers are not just packing light, they are packing right. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more travel insights that airlines never clearly explain. Number 10. Carry-on size is not universal. Many travelers assume that carry-on size rules are the same across all airlines, but that assumption causes serious problems. Each airline sets its own dimensions, and even a small difference of a few centimeters can lead to a bag being rejected at the gate. Budget airlines are especially strict and often use metal sizing frames to check compliance. A bag that worked perfectly on one airline might suddenly be considered oversized on another. This leads to unexpected fees or forced check-in at the last minute. Travelers who rely only on past experience often get caught off guard. Checking the exact size requirements before every flight is not optional, it is essential. Number 9. Weight limits matter more than expected. Carry-on travel is often associated with freedom from weight restrictions, but many airlines actually enforce strict limits. While some major airlines are relaxed, others weigh carry-on bags during check-in or at the gate. Exceeding the limit can result in additional charges or having to repack belongings under pressure. This becomes even more stressful when flights are full and overhead space is limited. Heavy bags also slow down boarding and increase the risk of injury when lifting into compartments. Travelers who focus only on fitting items into a bag often ignore weight entirely, which becomes a costly mistake. Smart packing is not just about space, it is about balance. Number 8. Liquids rule still catches people. Despite being widely known, the liquid restriction rule continues to surprise travelers. Many assume small exceptions will be overlooked, but airport security remains strict. Containers must be within the allowed limit and placed in a clear bag for inspection. Expensive items like perfumes, cosmetics, or skincare products are often confiscated simply because they exceed the size limit. Some travelers try to hide larger containers, but advanced screening systems easily detect them. The frustration usually comes from misunderstanding the consistency of enforcement. Security rules are applied globally with little flexibility. Ignoring this detail leads to unnecessary loss and delays during screening. Number 7. Overhead space is not guaranteed. A carry-on bag does not guarantee a spot in the overhead compartment. Many travelers assume that bringing a bag on board automatically secures storage space, but that is not how modern flights operate. Airlines often oversell cabin baggage capacity, especially on full flights. Late boarding passengers are the most affected, as overhead bins fill quickly. When space runs out, bags are taken and placed in the cargo hold, sometimes without proper preparation. This creates delays and risks for fragile items. Boarding early increases the chances of securing space, but many travelers underestimate how competitive overhead storage has become. Number 6. Personal item rules are strict too. Carry-on travel is not limited to one bag, but the personal item comes with its own restrictions that many ignore. Items like backpacks, purses, or laptop bags must fit under the seat and meet size requirements. Travelers often try to stretch these limits by carrying oversized personal items, assuming they will not be checked. However, airlines increasingly enforce these rules during boarding. If a personal item is too large, it may be counted as a second carry-on or require checking. This leads to confusion and additional fees. Understanding that both carry-on and personal items are regulated equally prevents unnecessary complications. Number 5. Duty-free doesn't always mean safe. Many travelers believe that duty-free purchases can always be carried on board without issues, but that is not entirely true. While items bought at the airport are usually sealed, Problems arise during connecting flights. Security checks at transit airports may not accept previously purchased liquids, even if they were bought legally. If the seal is broken or the receipt is missing, items can be confiscated without warning. This becomes especially frustrating with expensive products like perfumes or beverages. Airline staff rarely explain this clearly, leaving travelers confused. Understanding how different airports handle duty-free items is essential to avoid losing purchases mid-journey. Number 4. Rolling clothes isn't always the best method. Rolling clothes is often promoted as the ultimate space-saving trick, but it is not always the most effective method. While rolling works well for casual clothing, it can create bulk and wrinkles for certain fabrics. Structured items like jackets or formal wear often take up more space when rolled. In some cases, folding strategically or using packing cubes provides better organization and efficiency. Travelers who rely only on rolling may find their bags harder to close or less organized. The idea that one packing method fits all situations is misleading. Choosing the right technique depends on the type of clothing and trip duration. Number 3. Security can still open your bag. Anytime. Even perfectly packed carry-on bags are not immune to inspection. Many travelers assume that once a bag passes through scanning, it will not be touched again. However, security officers have full authority to open and inspect any bag if something appears suspicious. This can happen randomly or due to unclear items in the scan. Poor organization makes this process slower and more stressful. Items may not be repacked neatly, leading to inconvenience during the journey. Travelers who pack in a cluttered way often face longer delays. Keeping items organized and accessible reduces complications during unexpected inspections. Number 2. Not all items allowed worldwide. Carry-on rules vary more than most people expect, especially across different countries. An item allowed in one airport may be restricted in another. Power banks, food items, and even everyday tools can fall under different regulations depending on location. Travelers often assume that if something passed security once, it will always pass again. This misunderstanding leads to confiscations and confusion during international travel. Airlines rarely take responsibility for these differences, placing the burden on passengers. Checking destination-specific regulations before flying prevents unpleasant surprises and ensures a smoother experience across borders. Number 1. Boarding strategy matters more than packing. The biggest mistake in carry-on travel is focusing only on packing while ignoring boarding strategy. Even a perfectly packed bag becomes a problem if boarding is delayed. Overhead space fills quickly, and late boarding often results in forced gate checking. Travelers who do not pay attention to boarding groups or timing lose control over their luggage. Priority boarding or arriving early at the gate can make a significant difference. Carry-on travel is not just about what is inside the bag, but also when and how it is brought on board. Timing plays a crucial role in maintaining convenience and avoiding last-minute stress. Carry-on travel seems simple on the surface, but as revealed, there are many hidden details that most travelers completely misunderstand. From strict size rules to unexpected security checks, these small mistakes can quickly turn a smooth journey into a stressful experience. The difference between an average traveler and a smart traveler lies in awareness and preparation. Applying these insights can save time, money, and frustration on every trip. For more travel secrets that airlines rarely explain, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and stay informed before the next journey begins.